to Behind the Boot.
We hope you're having a great day wherever you are.
We had to do a quick stop here along the way to Ottawa because it's so beautiful.
So pretty. And look who we brought with us.
Charlie, you've never been on a frozen lake.
And there's Lily.
Charlie, what do you think of frozen lakes in Ontario? Alright guys, so we're off the way to Winterlude, and happy winter.
Happy winter. Look at this. Look at how pretty it is.
There we go. Bye-bye. Boots? Hello everybody, hope you're having a great day wherever you are.
Welcome to Behind the Boot.
We're in the bus, we're on the way to Sudbury right now, but the Blue Jays game has just started. Oh, take me out to the ball game, take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if we never come back, cause it's root for the Blue Jays. If they don't win, it's a shame. But it's 1, 2, 3 strikes around in the all-ball game. Yay! Bye, everybody!
Hello, and welcome to Behind the Boot. This is Jumping Jack Grady, and I'm about to go play my very first baseball game, and I'm on the back of a golf cart for the first time. Look at, here we go! Hello! Hi! Hi! We'll see you at the game! Here we go, baseball time. We got Charlie in the front, look. Charles! Here we go. Gonna hit a homer! See you tomorrow!
Focus on the ball. Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Well done. So come and dance along to the big boot song. Dancing in the boot, in the big yellow boot. So come and dance along.